Hello, today we're going to go over gathering input from a user and then performing arithmetic on the input given in Python. The objective will be to get integers from the user, perform arithmetic using the integers, and then print the output of the arithmetic back to the user. So to get started, we'll do ask for first number, we'll do number 1. Input. Please enter the first number. And do number 2 equals input. And do please enter the second number. Alright. And so let's do addition first here. So we'll do get the sum of both numbers. We'll do sum equals number 1 plus number 2. Let's print that out and see what it looks like. Alright, so let's give it a 3. And 10. Well, 3 plus 10 does not equal 310. So what's going on here? Well, what's happening is when you use input, Python treats whatever the input as a string. And so when using the plus sign in Python with two strings, it concatenates them together. So it's just 3 and 10 concatenated together. So if we wanted to actually perform arithmetic or math functions on it, we need to wrap it in int. So this will be casting or converting the string to an integer. And so now it'll be treated as an integer throughout the whole time here. So now, if we run it, we say 3 and 10. Ah, there we go. 3 plus 10 does equal 13. Alright, so now that we know that our input works and our sum's working, we'll continue with the rest of them and then we'll do a print statements at the end. It's always nice to kind of do a little check there, that way you don't get through your whole program and you haven't even tested it, and something doesn't work and screws up the whole thing. So let's do subtraction here. So difference of numbers. Minus number 1. And we'll do get the product of both numbers, or multiply them. Do product equals number 1 times number 2. And so for multiplication we use the star for multiplication. We'll do get the quotient. Both numbers. Say the quotient is equal to number 2 divided by number 1. And now we'll square. We use an exponent. Do some exponents. We'll do squared and cubed. So we'll do square the second number. So if we do squared equals number 2, and then to use exponents, it's similar to multiplication, but it's 2 stars, and then raised to whatever power you want. So this it'll be 2. And similar for cubed, so cube the first number, and cubed equals number 1. And we just do a 3 instead of a 2 to raise to the third power. Alright, so let's print these out. So we'll do print the sum is sum. Do print the difference is difference. Print the product is product. Print the quotient is quotient. It's quotient. Print the number 2 squared is squared. Print number 1 cubed is cubed. Alright. Let's run this. Give it our numbers again. Give it a 3, a 10. Alright, so we got this. Looks like that's alright. Sum's 13, difference is 7, product is 30, quotient is 3.33333, always till 35. Number 2 squared is 100, number 1 cubed is 27. So this all looks great, except for that quotient. That doesn't look very pretty. What if we wanted to round that? So a way to do that is use the round function. So you round, then you pass it a number, as well as how many digits you want to round it to. So I think 2 looks nice. So let's save that and run it. Let's try that again. So we'll do a 3, 10. Alright, so it looks like I rounded it there. So the quotient's 3.33. That's good enough for this setting. Maybe if we were doing engineering or science experiment, we'd want more significant digits, but for pleasant viewing, that looks good. So that is how to gather input as well as do arithmetic in Python. I hope you enjoyed it, and thank you.